Hello, my dear kids. Yes, how are you all? Hope you all good. Today I'm going to teach you second stand EVS first lesson, our wonderful body. In the previous session, we already learned our body parts, that is inner body parts and outer body parts. Inner body parts means the parts of the body they built inside the body, such as brain, heart, lungs, stomach. So these body parts we can't see, we can't touch. They built inside. That's why we call it as inner body parts. Another one, outer body parts. The name only telling that outer means they built outside the body. We can see, we can touch these parts. Example, eyes. Yes, we have two eyes. We can touch it, right? And ears. We have two ears. They built outside. We can touch, we can see our ears. Hand, leg, tongue. These are the outer body parts. What are the parts are built outside? No, they call it as outer body parts. Means we can see it and we can touch it. Those parts. So in that first one we learnt in the previous session, that is brain. We need brain, right? Why we need brain? We need a brain to think. So what are the planning of this day? No, today what we have to do in the day? So we should think it, we should plan it. So for this the brain helps us to most. The brain works everything. Without brain we can't think, we can't do any ideas. So the next part is inner part, that is heart. Yes, we already learnt about heart. Again I will repeat it. Heart is an inner body part. It pumps up blood to all the parts of the body, and it makes a sound, that is lub dub lub dub. For 1 minute heart will beat 70 to 75 times, that is lub dub lub dub. So these are the things we learned in the previous session, and now I am going to teach you some more body parts and their work in this session. Yes, lungs. We have one nose, right? With the help of nose, the air will goes inside the lungs. So we need lungs to breathe. To breathe. So they fill up with air when we breathe in. When we take air inside to the lungs, they fill up with air. Okay? And next, the lungs and the heart lie in the chest. The lungs and the heart lie in the chest. So this is the working of lungs. We need a lungs to breathe. We can't live without breathing, right? So we need lungs to breathe. So the next inner body part, that is stomach. Yes, stomach lies below the chest. So stomach lies below the chest. It looks like a bag. You can see here one bag like picture. So that is called stomach. It looks like a bag. The food we eat goes into the stomach. What are the foods we will take during the daytime, no? During the meals, during the snacks time, during the breakfast time. So those all food will digest inside the stomach. The food we eat goes into the stomach. The stomach helps us to digest the food. So what are the food we taken? Those food will be digested by the stomach. So the main work of the stomach is to digest the food. Yes. Bones and muscles. Okay. Feel your right arm with your left hand. Feel your right arm with your left hand. Do you feel something hard? Yes, that is called bone. Do you feel something soft? Yes, that part is called muscle. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Bones are the very strong things. We can feel it like a hard, but muscles are very soft, like a plumpy. We have totally 206 bones and more than 600 muscles. Means inside our body we have totally 206 bones and 600 muscles. Bones and muscles together give shape. Bones and muscles together give shape and support to the body. So if without bones we can't, means bone without bones muscles don't get any support. So the combinations of bones and muscles gives a shape, right? That's why we have a shape. We know our body shape, right? So because of bones and muscles we have a particular shape. Skin covers the bones and muscles in our body. Skin covers the bones and the muscles in our body. Muscles and bones work together. Let's see how they will work together. The muscles are fixed to the bones. So the muscles are fixed to the bones, means muscles attached to the bones. Muscles makes the bones move. Muscles makes the bones move. Muscle will makes the bones to move. Muscles and bones help you to lift your bag, throw a ball, swim, run, hop, skip and jump, pedal your bicycle. We can do all these things only if we have a strong bones and muscles. Eating healthy food and exercising regularly, we make our bones and muscles strong. So you should eat healthy food daily and you should always eat healthy food. Why? Because you should become strong. That's why you should eat healthy food daily. You should eat daily any one of the fruit. It will gives you more energy and it becomes you very strong. Posture. A posture is the position in which we sit, stand and walk. A posture is the position in which we sit and stand, walk. We must sit and stand straight. You should be always sit and stand straightly. We must walk upright. A correct posture makes us look smart. A correct posture makes us look smart. We must sit straight and we must stand straight. That's why you should be sit and stand properly. Then the body get a perfect posture, then you look smarter. Okay, now we have a quick recap on this lesson. So the first thing we learnt, brain, heart, lungs and stomachs are inside our body, right? Because we can't see these parts, that's why we call it as a inner body parts. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Bones are hard and muscles are very soft. Totally we have how much muscles? 600 muscles. How much bones? 206 bones. Muscles helps our bones to move. Muscles help our bones to move. Bones and muscles become strong. Bones and muscles become strong when we eat a healthy food. and exercise every day. Okay? A balanced diet means you should eat a healthy food. Okay? Don't eat a snacks too much because it's not a healthy food. And a minimum exercise, that is running, walking and playing. These are the minimum exercise to your body. You should do it daily and regularly. That makes you to very strong. We must have a correct posture. You should sit and stalk and stand and walk properly. Then your body get a proper posture. Then you look very smart. So in this lesson we learned the work of body parts, that is inner body parts and outer body parts. Okay, we will meet with another session with a new topic and new lesson. Until then, stay safe. Thank you.